In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MyFitnessPal Premium, giving you a full review and tutorial to help you make the most of this powerful tool. Let's dive in and explore how to effectively use MyFitnessPal Premium to enhance your fitness journey and nutritional tracking. To begin, open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. Seeing that familiar blue icon, tap it to launch the application. After opening the app, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login. This will prompt you to enter your email address and password. It's important to ensure that you input the correct credentials here to access your personalized dashboard. Once you've entered this information, click on Login to proceed. Now that you're on the home page, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll notice a plus sign. Click on that plus sign to begin logging various types of data into the app. This feature is incredibly convenient as it allows you to log food into your diary effortlessly. In fact, there are multiple ways you can do this. You can manually search for food by typing in the search bar, log foods you eat frequently for quick access, and even scan the barcode of packaged foods for accurate nutritional information, which is perfect for packaged snacks. For those who prefer a more hands-free approach, you can also use the voice log feature. Just speak the name of the food into your device and MyFitnessPal will do the rest. Another handy option is the meal scan feature, which uses your device's camera to identify the food in front of you and log it accordingly. This is especially great for meals with multiple ingredients or when you're dining out. Beyond tracking what you eat, MyFitnessPal Premium allows you to log other crucial aspects of your health journey, such as your water intake, weight, and exercise routines. By keeping a comprehensive record in one place, you're able to monitor your progress more effectively. To get a detailed view of your daily intake and other health metrics, click on Diary at the bottom of your screen. This diary is where you can add food entries for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Logging meals here helps you track your calorie consumption as well as macro and micronutrient intake throughout the day. Finally, for a longer-term perspective on your fitness journey, tap on Progress. In this section, you can input your weight and measurements regularly. Monitoring these statistics over time gives you insight into how your body is responding to your fitness regimen and dietary changes. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of how to efficiently navigate and use MyFitnessPal Premium. Use these features to elevate your health management, track your nutrition in detail, and keep focus on your goals. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.